Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. This is Chin from Masagara Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong gabing to, tignan natin ano gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. Alam nyo guys, this is the first time natin gagawin to is messages for Arcangel Rafael. Arcangel Rafael messages for the sign of Scorpio. So, let's see kung ano yung pinaka-message sa'yo ni Arcangel Rafael magbibigay sa inyo ng information or advices. So, let's see guys. And of course, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagaw. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka na dito na ang mensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages. Let's see. Arcangel Rafael, bigyan mo ako ng isang mensahe nagbibigay sa atin ng information sa mga kapatid natin na Scorpio. So, let's see. Meron na tayong 3 cards. It's a good enough. At the same time, sinasabi dito ni Arcangel Rafael is hydration. So, some of you guys baka kinukulang na kayo sa tubig, no? Kailangan nyo raw, kumbaga uminom na maraming tubig as soon as possible kasi hydration or something fluids, no? Dear Arcangel Rafael, thank you for motivating and guiding me to drink more water so that my health, energy, and appetite stay in optimal levels throughout each day. So, yan daw, ha? And of course, as sinasabi pa dito ni Arcangel Rafael, do more research, no? Dear God and Arcangel Rafael, thank you for clearing and gently leading me to the informations that I need to know for my well-being. Please give me the courage to assertive as I take charge of my health care needs. So, ibig sabihin, mag-research ka kung ano yung makakabuti sa kalusugan mo. At the same time, Jesus, the divine healer. So, dear Jesus, thank you for your divine healing power and presence. So, ibig sabihin, kumbaga, si Jesus Christ daw. 'Di ba ang tumutulong upang pagalingin ka kung ano man ang karamdaman mo. So, ang some of you, Scorpio, si Jesus ang gabay mo. Isa si Jesus Christ sa gabay mo na tumutulong sa'yo every single moment, no? Kailangan mo magdasal at humingi ng gabay sa ating Panginoon at ating Ama na si Jesus Christ. So let's see guys, what is additional messages pa na magkaklaro at magbibigay pa ng information sa inyo. So paano natin yan ilalad at paano natin yan ihimay-himayin. So let's see. Angel Spirit Messages, get my information. Okay, there is a 2 of Cups. There is a partnership, no? May partnership daw dito at the same time, there's a tower moment. There's a sudden changes na mangyayari ngayon, no? Kailangan mong kumain ng masusustansya at kailangan mong kumain ng maayos at the same time, no? And of course, sa partnership, kumbaga, may about dito sa partnership na there's a sudden changes, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo makipag-coordinate with your partner. At the same time, there's a 10 of Swords. 10 of Swords in reverse. So, ibig sabihin dito, natapos na yung backstabbing, no? Natapos na yung betrayal. Another messages. And of course, there's a 2 of Wands. Okay, 3 of Wands, sorry. There's a 3 of Wands. Waiting for a result or waiting for a shift. Now, may mga inaantay kayo, some of you. At the same time, there's a strength. No? Lakasan nyo ang loob nyo. Maging malakas at maging matibay. And of course, there's the Moon card. There's a revelation reveal. And of course, at the same time, there's a dreams. No, may mga bagay na, kumbaga, may isa sa katuparan kayo, may mga bagay na gusto kayo mangyari. No? Kumbaga, there's a Jesus Divine Healer na tutulungan ka. So, what is the 2 of Cups? There's a Queen of Cups. There's a healing. So, healing by partnership, no? Kumbaga, nagiging sentro niyo si God with your relationship. What is the Tower moment? The Tower moment represent a 6 of Wands. No? There's a 6 of Wands. There's a victory and success dito. No? Kumbaga sinasabi magtatagumpay kayo pagdating sa inyong larangan sa inyong kumbaga family, no? Kumbaga magkakaroon kayo ng revealed, no? Tagumpay kayo kung may mga taong gusto kayo sirain. This is the moment na mabubuo niyo yung mga bagay na yon. Revealed, no? What is the Ten of Swords in reverse? So there's a Knight of Cups. There's an offer, no? Offer na nakaalis ka na sa situation. And of course, there's an Emperor. Be mature enough. No? Maging mature ka. Have a patience. Kailangan mong kumalma. What is the Strength card? Strength card represent the word card. Ibig sabihin dito, there's a trouble. There's a communication. There's a success. No? Lakasan lang loob mo. Kumbaga, baka natatakot ka mga ibang bansa. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mong kumuha na information, no? Ang word and restaurant card kasi parang sinasabi dito, baka natatakot ka mag-travel. No? Sinasabi dito na kailangan mo magkaroon ng confidence. Do more research, no? What is the Moon card? There is a Seven of Cups. There's a confusion. Naguguluhan ka. Pinapasok dito sa panaginip mo, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na may dreams ka dito na naguguluhan. Para pinapasok ka sa panaginip mo para naguguluhan ka or something na naliligaw ka. No? Magdasal ka. What is the Two of Cups and the Queen of Cups? Magdasal ka daw bago matulog, ha? And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito na there's a Four of Wands, na there's a celebration coming in for you pagdating sa inyong relationship. Magkakaroon kayo ng, some of you, there's a wedding, proposals, or there's, binyag, or there is an event. At the same time, there's a magician, there's a manifestation. May mga bagay na may isa sa katuparan mo ngayon. No, mananalo ka sa eksena na to, maaaring may mabili kang bahay, maaaring mapagawa mo yung bahay nyo. At the same time, there's an Ace of Pentacles. There's a big money and big opportunity coming in for you. Nangyari ng backsabing ko, kumbaga, ngayon, tapos na yung betrayal and offer na to, kumbaga magdadala sa iyo sa finances. There's a big potential na magkakaroon ka ng siksik liglig umapaw na offer. What is the Three of Wands and the Emperor? Okay. There is Ten of Wands, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na kumbaga sa dami ng naranasan mong burden, ang dami mong naranasan na obligation or responsibility, be mature enough. Dapat kumbaga piliin mo kung ano yung mga bagay na gagawin mo. Nine of Swords represent na magiging mabilis daw tong eksena na to. No? Sa una lang yan kakabahan ka, pero at the end of the time, ba, masasanay ka rin, no? Baka ito yung sinasabi na do more research na baka magkaroon ng tawag dito yung homesick, diba? What is the Moon card and of course the Seven of Cups? Okay, there's the Fool card. So, leap of faith, magtiwala kay God, no? Magtiwala ka sa process of progress. Kumbaga, maraming option kasi eh. So, kung ano yung pumasok sa panaginip mo, or ano yung pumasok sa intuitions mo, makinig ka dyan. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. And of course, sinasabi that there's a hand of the card. So, take a risk and take chance. And there's a mirror, no? There's a reflection. Wag mo raw gagawin ko, ayaw mo mag-reflect lang din sa'yo, no? Mag-bounce back. At the same time, there's a karmic relationship. So, some of you there's a karmic relationship dito na nangyari. There's a lot of betrayal, kumbaga struggles, pero at the end of the time, kapag nalagpasan nyo na yan, kumbaga, magkakaroon kayo ng healer of the all ages, no? Sa lahat ng mga aspeto, magkakaroon kayo ng healing. Kaya pala nandito si Jesus, the divine healer, no? Tinutulungan ka dito upang pagalingin kung anumang uri ng sugat na ng nakaraan. Kaya pala, ang galing, no? There's an Archangel Raphael na sinasabi sa inyo na lahat ng aspeto na, kumbaga, sugat ng nakaraan mo o sakit ng nakaraan mo, pagagalingin niya. Diba? Kailangan mo lang uminom ng maraming tubig, kasi baka nagkakaroon ng hydration or something na nawawala sa appetite, no? Nawawala ka ng gana. At the same time, do more research. May mga bagay na kailangan mo lang malaman. And of course, Jesus is here to help you in all kind, no? So, let's see guys, what is a Yin and Yang Oracle card? What is a Yin and Yang Oracle card? What is a Yin and Yang Oracle card? Angel Spirit Guides. Okay, there's a third eye. Clarity. O, di ba nagkaroon ka na clarity? Some of you may third eye, ha? And of course, there's the moon, the dark night. Ibig sabihin dito, pinapakita sa'yo sa panaginip. Some of you, there's an intuition, ha? And of course, there's a stability. No? Magka-flow, no? Sabay ka lang sa agos. Kaya pala there's a water involvement na sinasabi sa dito, even sa water sign kayo, kumbaga sumabay ka lang sa agos ng eksena. Kumbaga ipapasilip sa'yo with the third eye, and of course there's a shadow sa'yo with the moon card. Kumbaga may mga pasilip sa'yo o may mga pangitain sa'yo na idadaan sa panaginip. So let's see, what is additional messages? And of course, there's a service. Some of you, ha, kumbaga nakakatulong ka sa ibang tao, no? And of course, there is a regret, no? May mga bagay na hindi mo na mababalik sa nakaraan. So, continue what you're doing. So, what is additional messages? And of course, there is a unicorn, trust, no? Trust and be honest. And there's a purple, third eye. There's a third eye, double clarification, the third eye clairvoyance. Meron ka talagang spiritual abilities dito, guys. Kaya pala nandito si Jesus, no? Kumbaga tinutulungan ka ni Jesus Christ dito. My goodness. Si Jesus Christ ang iyong gabay. What is a chakra? Renewal, no? Magkakaroon ka ng panibagong eksena dito. And of course, there's an impatient, no? Baka nawawalan ka ng, kumbaga, minsan nagiging nagmamadali ka, nagiging padalas-dalas ka, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, maghinay-hinay ka. So, what is the Monsologies? What is the Monsology? Nothing will come in this situation. Walang mangyayari sa sitwasyon. Communication is the key and expect the powerful change. No, may mga pagbabago magaganap. Kailangan mo maging handa at maging maingat. At ang kailangan mo ng communication. So, what is additional messages? Kabog, di ba? And of course, sinasabi dito, energy healing. Di ba? Some of you, there's a healer. No, maaaring healer din kayo or something na tumutulong kayo, ganon. So, what is the Jesus loving quotes? Let not your heart be troubled, neither let be afraid. So, ibig sabihin na huwag mong hayaan yung puso mo yung maguluhan. Huwag mong hayaan yung puso mo yung manghamba. No, hayaan mo na lang na matakot ka sa mga bagay-bagay. No, wag lang yung puso mo yung magdikta ng magdikta ng nakakatakot. Yung parang feeling mo na yung pangamba, 'di ba? Wag mong hayaan yung puso mo yung manghamba. Kasi maguguluhan ka talaga. So, what is the angel's number? At the same time, there's a 999. I am unique. So, ibig sabihin dito, kakaiba ka sa lahat. No? Wala kang katulad. And of course, sabi dito, take the past for your lessons and leave it where it belongs. So, you can make the best of the life that is still waiting for the fulfilled by only you. See? Kumbaga, matuto ka sa nakaraan, matuto ka sa mga pinagdaanan mo. No? Kumbaga, iwanan mo yung mga lesson or yung mga pangit na nakaraan mo kung saan siya nararapat, no? Kumbaga, matuto ka na at wag ka na ulit, kumbaga, sumama sa mga taong alam mong hindi makakabuti at sumira sa'yo, lalo-lalo ng tiwala mo. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, nag-iisa ka at ikaw lang ang bukod tangi na pinagkalooban niya ng ganito. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, ikaw at una at huli nga magbibigay ng katuparan sa lahat ng pangarap mo at sa lahat ng gagawin mo, no? Be a manipulator and be creator of your own story. So guys, what is the messages of life? So let's see, what is the messages of life? Ano yung pinaka-message sa'yo ng buhay? So there's an I am free. Today, I find the veil of my ego has lifted. Visions of my new life has appeared. Now, I focus on my inner growth. I listen only the voice of my heart and remain steadfast in the energy of love that I find there. I am now free of duality, fear, and judgment, and I move forward on my path of my inner field. So, ibig sabihin, pinapalaya mo yung sarili mo, no? Sa mga bagay-bagay. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na, kumbaga, talagang dire-diretso ka. Diretso yung ginagawa mo at nakapokus ka kung ano talagang gusto mong gawin, no? Kumbaga, natuto ka na sa lahat ng pinagdaanan mo, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi lang sa'yo dito, control and of course, maging maingat lang sa ginagawa. And of course, yung mga tao sa paligid mo, no? And of course, there's a flow, no? Kumbaga tuloy-tuloy lang ang agos. And of course, there's an energy. Those are some of you, ha? Kumbaga, there's a spiritual abilities. So, there's a third eye. Kumbaga talagang kinlaro niya na mayroon ka talagang katangian or kakayanan na makakita or masilip kung ano man yung mga extraordinary. So guys, this reading is Archangel Michael messages, Archangel Raphael messages for the sign of Scorpio. This reading is a reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagaw. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time and every moment. So guys, comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course your location para sa susunod na reading natin. Baka energy mo na ang masagap natin. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!